Shubham from Gossipfunda, and today I'm going to elaborate about the topic how you can touch lock your smartphone device with an application. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you have to go to Google Play Store and search for touch lock. I would select the first applications because the other applications, as we can see in the screen, are based upon like we used to see in our accessibility mode. This app touch lock disable your touch screen helps to disable the touch lock and not the lock screen. Let's wait for the installation. As you can see, the application has been installed and it's telling me or guiding me that how to use the application. Like you have to scroll down, you have to touch lock in that upper notification bar, and then you have to lock and press the button and double tap to unlock the screen. Let's try the procedure. Okay, so heading back to the screen, here we are, touch lock light. Yes, I think it's enabled. As you can see, I'm pressing the screen and no movement is happening. Oh, it's still guiding me. Okay, I'll double tap it to unlock it. As you can see, it double tap and it also shows the time, how much time the screen is locked. Now as you can see, my screen is working perfectly and it's a very helpful app for the purpose of work. Now as you can see, it touches lock again and I can use any application, be it gallery, camera. This app is very helpful if you are like watching or using any other application when your hand is wet, or performing any other task while you are eating or doing any other task. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you see my next video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda, and don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section. I've also added a link in the description area. Do check that. Also, to the reference, you can go to Google and search touch lock APK if you want the rooted version or the other version, so that it could work hassle free. But yeah, there may be some bugs, so you can prefer these top 3 sites that are given in the Google bar. As you can see, it is showing the same application, but maybe there's some root issue or something, and maybe there are bugs. I would not like to suggest this one. I would like to preferably go for the Google Play. Stay happy, stay safe, goodbye.